Well, we got another beautiful day at our lakeside camp here, and I guess this is Lake Mojave, Mojave Lake. And as usual, living on the road, it's awesome to run into people again. And I knew my buddy Jack was in the area, so they came by to visit for a night, and we had some time to hang out. So I just wanted to say hi to Jack.
What's up, guys?
Jack's got a YouTube channel, Wandering Patches. I'll leave a link in the description for that. Now, I was just telling Jack, I've watched your guys' progression. You guys have come a long way. You've been on the road for how long now?
3 years now.
3 years.
Yeah, we've done, I think, like 5 work camping jobs and got a little experience with things and doing it a little different now. Definitely come a long way. Channel's come a long way.
Yeah.
It was pretty rough when we first met, so if you guys haven't seen it in a while, come check it out. I got a little better at filming and a little better at editing, so...
Yeah, you guys got a neat story, and you got some neat things coming up. There might be some changes.
Yeah,
so.
Brian knows some details. I'm holding on, but yeah, we got some big changes.
It's awesome, man.
Big stuff in the works. So,
that's awesome. Well, again, guys, go ahead and check out Jack over at Wandering Patches. Always good to see you, man. You guys are taking off here, so until we meet again, we never say goodbye. We just say until we meet again.
I always know I'll end up finding you again. So.
Right on, man. Take care, brother.
See you guys.
All right, we are heading out of our lakeside camp here at Mojave Lake in Nevada. It's been real nice. Another beautiful day, but we need to head out. We're at our 7-day limit, and I'm out of food. So let's hit the road and continue this adventure. Well, this really was a nice stay here, despite the few days of extremely high winds. It's time to head on out. We need to resupply, get some water, groceries. And away we go. All right, well, we're here at our camp. We're just kind of in this trailhead parking lot. This is just probably going to be an overnight for us, so we're just posted up here. But it looks like there's some pretty epic hiking here. I was looking over here and there's this cave at the base of this rock formation. Pretty wild. So we're going to have to get out and do some exploring. We're up at 3,600 feet, so it's quite a bit cooler here. The high is 60 and the low tonight is supposed to be 38. So a little cooler than preferred, but we're just kind of wanting to get out of the deserts and make our way into the forests. So we're gonna have to slow our roll a little bit unless we want to be cold. Well, this was our overnight camp here at Foothills, I think that's how you say it, recreation area, just outside of Kingman, Arizona, off of Highway 93. That's it right behind me there. A little bit of highway noise, could hear the truck brakes at night, but hiked up to this awesome rock formation. So as you can see, our vehicles are camped right down here. Fun little hike, and there's a lot more trails going all back in here. You can see some people down there heading out, and give you an opportunity to go explore all of this area here. But we're not going to do that. We need to relocate and get some projects done. decided it's time to break this camp. This was just a quick overnight for us. We spent so much time in town yesterday getting supplies and running around that we just wanted to have a quick place to overnight. So we're going to be moving on. Today we've got a good couple-hour drive, so we're going to try to get moving here so we can get into camp before too late. But this was an awesome spot. Right off the highway, but perfect for an overnight. Beats the heck out of a Walmart parking lot, that's for sure. The adventure continues. Well, we're going to be using Interstate 40 heading east out of Kingman, Arizona, heading towards Ash Fork, Arizona. A beautiful terrain through here. And away we go. Road is a little muddy, but I think we're going to be okay. Wait a minute, I see little patches of snow on the ground. We are currently at 5,167 feet elevation, so we're slowly going up into cooler weather. And
there's like little bits of snow underneath the base of the bushes.
I saw that. Oh, we get to camp with the cows.
Cows? Oh, they're like a bunch of white cows.
Well, we'll give you a little look at the camp spot here. I've actually explored this spot before, but I didn't camp here, so I thought it'd be nice to stay a night here. There's kind of some remnants of what looks like was a long-term camp at one point. There's all this flagstone or flagstaff stone, whatever you call it, and big ring over here of stone with a bunch of old bottles in it. And then there's a pretty elaborate path here. They actually poured concrete and what looks like was a pond or something down at the end, which is kind of interesting. So I'm assuming someone was here long term and then eventually got asked to leave. There's like irrigation line, PVC pipe, and this looks like it was a pond or something. They've got a hole dug here. Nice view overlooking this little canyon, big grove of pinyon pines, beautiful. So this will probably just be another overnight. We're going to be heading into Prescott tomorrow. Who knows, we may end up staying longer, but we're going to call this camp. All right, I'm not wasting any time. We pulled into camp hungry, so I'm going to get some chicken burritos going. Just getting some onion and bell pepper sauteed there. Then I had some rotisserie chicken in the fridge that I broke up and used some of this green chili seasoning powder that my buddy Jack from Wandering Patches gave me. They worked out in New Mexico, which is supposedly the green chili capital of the world. So I'm going to try that out. I'll throw that in with the onions and peppers. Get it heated up. All right, get this chicken in there. All right, so I did add a little water to the chicken to kind of make it a little bit more like a sauce with the spices. I went ahead and loaded up a flour tortilla here for a burrito. Looking good. Burrito is ready. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you very soon in the next video. Hope you're all doing well out there. Take care. Peace.